my adjustable bench power supply. Now it's made in a money box type container, and it has an electrical box on the side for the switch, which is this industrial knob switch. It also has a hospital grade plug. There's an indicator light there, a space for my multimeter, and multimeter leads. These also will work with the power supply. This is based on an LM317. And the voltage on it is decently accurate. It goes from 1.2 volts, 2.6 volts, to all the way up to 34 volts. But that's not really supported under the multimeter. But yeah, now I'll show off the nice benefit, the benefits of having the adjustability with this motor. These are banana plug binding post combos. It actually goes that slow. It'll actually run all the way at bottom end. Like barely.